Xiaomi to unveil Mi10i, a rebranded Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, in India on the 5th of January. Xiaomi brought the focus back to its premium offerings and launched the flagship Mi10, as well as Mi10T series, in India earlier this year. The Chinese giant is planning to add a new smartphone to its Mi10 series in India. Xiaomi is giving fans something to look forward to early next year with a teaser for the rumored Mi10i. Mi10i India launch date. The official Xiaomi India Twitter handle has tweeted out a teaser video along with the launch date. The video teases the 108MP primary camera and flashes an eye after the 10. This suggests that the upcoming device will be the Mi10i. It will be a 5G-enabled mid-ranger that will take on the Moto G 5G and OnePlus Nord. Mi10i will most likely be a rebadged version of the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G that was unveiled in China about a month ago. It is a slightly upgraded variant of the Mi10T Lite that went official in Europe earlier this year. Xiaomi has set up a dedicated landing page that confirms that the Mi10i will be a rebranded Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The upcoming device has been teased to arrive in the same color offerings as the Note 9 Pro 5G. It will also feature a 108MP camera, higher refresh rate display, and a powerful 5G chipset. Mi10i Specifications expected. Xiaomi is looking to kick off 2021 with a bang, launching its first ever mid-range 5G smartphone in India. The Mi10i will feature a 6.67-inch Full HD and LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch response rate. There's also a punch hole at the top that houses a 16MP selfie sensor. The circular quad camera setup on the rear is helmed by a 108MP primary sensor. It is the Samsung ISOCELL HM2 sensor, which is coupled with an 8MP ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree FOV, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. Under the hood, the Mi10i will be powered by the Snapdragon 750G SoC. It will be coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of built-in storage. The device will also come equipped with a 4820 mAh battery, 33W fast charging, and a USB Type-C port. It may also come as a delight to some, but the Mi10i might also include a 3.5mm audio jack. The Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is priced starting at 1,599 renminbi, Rs. 17,999 in China. But we shouldn't expect the Mi10i to arrive at this price point. Our best guess is that the Mi10i will start at Rs. 19,999 in India. It could truly spell trouble for OnePlus Nord sales, as you get an equally powerful device, with better cameras, for close to Rs. 7,000 cheap.